In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Ethernet is not working properly on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in troubleshoot. Best results, you come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then select additional troubleshooters on the right panel. And underneath get up and running, select internet connections, and then run that troubleshooter. You may also want to make sure your Ethernet cable is properly plugged in, or try swapping it out with a different one if you want to see if that could be a potential cause. And if you close out of here, we can also open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best results should say command prompt, right click on it, and then run as administrator. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and now you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard, and then once that's done, type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Hit enter on your keyboard to run that, and then once that's done, close out of here, and then restart your computer at this time. And hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.